Hello everybody, welcome to Raileq.com. I would like to introduce you our product portfolio. Raileq produces. You can find it also on our web pages. All you can see on this table is Series 600, double track bases and single track bases. You can see curved, you can see straight, interface pieces, the same for the single track ones. Maybe now I'd like to tell you more what you can find on each track base and what that supports really. So you can see there is a nice profile of the track. You can see bases for each track. You can see that it's canted for the curved one. You can see here this line. This line supports you to drill inside the holes for the catenary poles for the overhead line. Let's say wire the poles. These are compatible with some of our several numbers. You can find it on our pages. I would say the spacing for different radiuses is different, of course. This is 100, I think this is radius 600, which is the radius of the X of this first track. Then the spacing is given like that, and for different radiuses is different. I think the series 1000 and 1300 is totally the same spacing like the straight track, but just to make sure that your coaches will let's say miss each other and will not get to collision, we have to go this way. This is normalized according norms for the railway modelers and EM norms. I think these are the German ones, and it's already tested. So this is curved double track. What is very important are those interfaces pieces which you have to take in between each straight piece and each curved one. It's important to also understand which one to take for what, but you can find it in our configuration list. We can take curve, which is here running right if I will try to build the track from this side, and I have to take a piece which is made to that. This piece is curved to left. You can slightly see maybe the profile. Here you can see that the level is totally the same, but here it's already canted, and due to it's canted on this side, it's for the left curve, not for the right one. So I cannot take this one, I have to take the right one. You can see that's curved. It's also important for this series that the spacing starts here and it's fully compatible with the straight track. The spacing is lower than the spacing, let's say, for the curve one, so it goes like that, and also it becomes canted, so it's an interface for the, let's say, the whole line, I would say. So you can clearly assemble this. I don't have enough space here, but we can do it like that. You can clearly assemble it together. On our web pages you can find also pieces which fixes this together from the other side. You just drill it and bolt it together. But of course, once you are creating your railway layout, you can get it supported just with the wooden blocks down, and you can drill it through and bolt it with the bolts, which has the head which comes to the same level like the shape of the track. So these are the double ones. The same principle is used for the single tracks. So always you need the interface piece. The reason now is not spacing, as it is just single track, but the reason is that the track again becomes canted. So again you can see that here it is totally same like the straight piece, but here it's already canted. It's canted to right. So if I take the curve, I can connect it together and it fits. The most important thing is that you can see on each piece you can see 0.5 milli deep channel. The channel is here. Maybe it's not directly visible on the movie, but it's there. This helps you to form the track to the right radius. All the templates, all the track bases are designed to Peco tracks, so you have to be sure that the width of your track is not more than, let's say, than the channel is, and I think the channel is 29.6 milli, so you have to always measure it if you want to place different track. This is for Peco tracks. I believe that if you buy these, all will work together, as you can see in some of the other parts of this movie series to support the build.